Don't forget the meaning of olvidar. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is olvidar. Olvidar. This is a Spanish verb and it means to forget. Olvidar is a regular verb, so it is easy to conjugate. If you want to know more about the conjugation of regular Spanish verbs, click here. Olvidar works with feminine and masculine nouns and it doesn't have a plural form because we need to conjugate this verb. Now let's see a few examples. No olvides llamarme. No olvides llamarme. Recuerda no olvidar tu bolsa. Recuerda no olvidar tu bolsa. Olvidé mis llaves. Olvidé mis llaves. Ellos olvidaron comprar las verduras. Ellos olvidaron comprar las verduras. Mi novio olvidó mi cumpleaños. Mi novio olvidó mi cumpleaños. Yo siempre olvido los nombres de las personas. Yo siempre olvido los nombres de las personas. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave me more examples down below using olvidar. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Don't forget to support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!